What's up, guys? Welcome to Boss Brackets. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting to make a snake game using JavaScript. I've made it in C#. I don't imagine it'll be much different in JavaScript. Let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm working on now is the fruit the snake eats. I was able to get it to refresh on the screen or generate on the screen when it gets eaten. Cool, so that's what I got right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try working on the snake class and see how that works out. Okay, so it looks like we got the snake all drawn, but it's not moving. That's not what we want. We want it to be moving. I'm gonna go ahead and try working on that, but we'll go ahead and see. Let you guys know. Okay, guys, we're doing pretty good. There's only one thing wrong with this. It is now when we start our game, the head just wants to take off. The body doesn't move, but the head just takes off, which should be pretty simple. We'll go ahead and work on that now. You know, one of the joys of programming is you get really weird bugs. Look at this one I just got. We got like a weird little inchworm kind of thing going on. Oh, that is too funny. That's hilarious. Oh, wow. Okay, I got it working now. This is our snake. This is what he looks like. Right now, you can still actually go off the map and come back in and cross over yourself. And when you hit the food, it doesn't eat it. You do not grow. So those are a few things I still got to work on. But it's doing good. We're getting rid of errors. I think I'm actually going to make the snake look a little bit better before I continue. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So this is what I was talking about. It makes it look like a caterpillar. Kind of, they have patterns, not just a solid green color. Adds a little bit of texture. Builds the quality of the game, I feel. But yeah. Let's go ahead and put some borders on. We'll go ahead and do borders. We'll start with wall collision. Okay, so I just finally added the boundaries. If you hit the wall, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Okay, cool. So I just added the where you can collide into your body now and you die. And I also fixed, oh wow, that is precision. I also fixed it where you can't go back. So if I'm going left, I can't go right. Going right, I can't go left because that would kill you. And so I had to add that protection in there. But now it still doesn't do anything when I hit the fruit. Let's work on that now. Okay, I just added the the grow function. So see when you eat the food, it generates the function we were making earlier, and we also grow a little bit. Which is exactly what I want to see. I also might maybe do something because it does generate on the body. I may try to fix that. I don't know. I think it's pretty good right now. Well, boys, let's start adding scores. Well, awesome. I just made it where it finally displays the score now accurately up here at the top. Okay, and there we go. I think we have a finished game. I think that's all I need to do, because if I hit myself, I die. Resets the score to 5, which is the length of your body. I know I can definitely add like sound effects and stuff. Well, stay tuned. Yeah, we're going to add some music here. Alright, guys, and that is a wrap. I went ahead and added my own little sound effects. Because at the time of recording this video, I did not have an internet connection because we were remodeling our house, so I couldn't download any sound effects. So I just recorded myself making dumb sounds. You're dead. When you die, you're dead. Puts a little funny twist on the game. Let me know what you guys think. I'll put a link in the description. You can go ahead and download it and play it. That's a wrap. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, comment down below, play the game, post your new high score. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.